In charge of the renewal of the contract, the management of leave, the reception of newcomers, and the management of the personnel file, the Operational Human Resources Department is in place to support the African Union and the staff in their daily activities and is essential to achieve the goals of the organization.
We also advise staff on a variety of HR-related issues and keep consistent, correct, and complete data of staff member in the system and outside the system for the purpose of accurate and speedy reporting as needed by the management for decision making. In addition to this, we also help the MIS division to roll out on SAP to the field offices and organs.
Referring to the staff regulations of the African Union, in relation to this branch of human resources, the team works daily to fulfill this mission.
HR operations are always ready to give support through whatever means, emails, phone calls, one-to-one. When requested, we give one-to-one training on employee self-service and managerial self-service, especially on leave and appraisal. We also train regional office staff as well as newly recruited staff at 8 headquarters. And we finalized training manuals which we distribute. We also made a lot of efforts within the team to understand the rules so as to be able to advise staff on a variety of issues within the context of the rules. We are currently working on a project on HR question and answer to address several issues that staff can refer to better understand our processes.
But also as a training relay for the information system management team.
We also helped MIS to roll out SAP employee self-service, manager self-service portal to field offices and assist by giving training to headquarters and field offices staff members.
To be dedicated to others and provide solutions to the daily problems of the staff of the African Union, a vocation that has trained but also united the members of this friendly team despite the difficulties.
I've learned a lot. Not only the HR we used to know, but we've learned a lot, like creating appraisals in the system and also checking if appraisal has been done so that we can release them on SAP. We've learned all these here.
The most rewarding part is the team spirit within the HR operations, as we are constantly discussing and interacting on challenges on our daily activities to learn from each other to come up with consistent solutions for our customers.
The most difficult part of this job is trying to consistently meet staff expectations. While we're trying to do our best toward these goals, we are challenged by unclear, incomplete, and sometimes conflicting rules. The level of responsibilities is also challenging, as our actions have a lot of repercussions, not only on that staff, but also on others. Things are always urgent, which may lead us to mistakes due to lack of time to explore the issue.
An appeal to the staff of the African Union to be impregnated with some basic elements for more speed in the processing of their concerns.
We do our work as per the AU rules and regulations, so we highly recommend staff members to read the rules so that they know their rights and responsibilities. The other thing is we also recommend staff members to attend trainings organized by our department, like for example the one of performance appraisal. It will help them to know how to do their appraisal and also the timelines, for example, when to set their goals, to do the midterm and end term. The other example is the trainings on SAP. Many staff members come to the HR to check the status of their contract renewal, but if they know how to properly use the system, they can check it on their SAP inbox. The last one is we are dealing with about 1,800 staff members. So we need enough time whenever a staff wants service from us.